Welcome to Coffee Grounds at Wallitsch Garden Center with Jeff Wallitsch. Summertime is for grilling out. I'm starting to run out of some ideas though, right? The cue, Jeff has always some awesome ideas, also some tips for how to start grilling the right way.
Right, if you want to start to become a grill master, it does take a little bit of time, but you want to make sure that you have all the tools that you need, so you're making sure that you're not running short on things. So my key thing is make sure your grill is clean.
Yeah.
So I always start up the grill, whether it's charcoal or gas, and then have a really good scraper. I go through a couple of these a year just because I like to grill outside. And then make sure that you have some really good long-handed spatulas and things like that, and tongs, just because you're going to be getting in there. You don't want to burn yourself or anything like that. And another thing that I also like to do is get like a paper towel with some canola oil on it and rub those grates. That way when you put like your proteins or your meats on there, they're not going to stick to the grill, and you'll have a nice cooked piece of meat there.
Once you have a great clean grill, let's get some of these recipes. I love the pizza idea.
And so these are things that you can incorporate that are from your garden. A lot of people are gardening this year. You're like, what do I do with all this kind of stuff? So this is a grilled vegetable flatbread. I also like to cheat with my pizza crust. You can buy the flatbreads already done or the pizzas, but just take any vegetable you want, put it on the grill, zucchinis, peppers, onions, all that stuff, chop it up, put it there on your pizza there.
You know, in this time of the year, people always have too much of everything. Too much zucchini, too much squash.
Too much tomatoes,
You've got
all
the
that kind of
perfect
stuff.
recipe for that.
Right, so this is a grilled panzanelli salad, and it's basically the leftover stuff that you had from your pizza that you may not have put on there. You're gonna start with your base with your tomatoes and cucumbers, grill your vegetables, and then a lot of times you'll have your flatbread pizzas that comes in 2 or 3 package. You can chop those up and throw those in the salad too.
Beautiful. For all these recipes, head to wallitsch.net.